I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You must be on a recent iOS and signed into the Apple ID that syncs Safari. Open Settings and check General About for the iOS version. Once done, go back and ensure you know your device passcode and screen time passcode. These are required to change restrictions. Now tap on your Apple ID banner, then iCloud, and make sure Safari syncing is enabled. This prepares the system so the Clear Search History option can become available. You'll now change the settings that commonly gray out Clear Search History. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content, and Privacy Restrictions. If enabled, enter the screen time passcode and open Content Restrictions. Allow web content or set it to unrestricted so Safari history controls are permitted. Next, return to Settings, your name iCloud, and confirm Safari is toggled on to sync. Finally, open Settings Safari and look for Clear History and Website Data. This should now be active. You're at the finish line. Open Settings Safari and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm to remove searches and cached data. If the option remains grayed out, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the iPhone, and sign back in. This often resets permissions. Make sure screen time restrictions remain off. As a final troubleshooting step, update iOS or choose Reset All Settings after backing up. This keeps data while restoring system defaults that may fix the grayed out control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.